Welcome to Artupskill online sketching school. I am Prabhu Subramanian. I am going to teach character sketching mastery, method, techniques and process for you in the demo class. When you are joining the demo class, kindly come with your sketchbook and pencil. The pencil brand can be anything, but if it's be a like 6B or 7B, 8B, 9B, 10B, any one of these pencil, that will be really great. When you're attending the demo class, make sure you have 1 hour time and same time you also have the good internet connectivity, so that the entire 1 hour whatever I'm trying to give, entire stuff, everything you can able to learn it very easily without any disturbance. Not only that, if you are beginner or intermediate, maybe you learned the character sketching from yourself, or maybe you want to learn this character sketching in the advanced level but you got stuck because of lack of teacher support, mentorship, right feedback on your sketch works, okay, or maybe your lack of the learning path which take you from the beginner into become the advanced level, that this is the place, this is the time for you to attend the demo class and start your journey in the character sketching. End of the demo class, I'm also will explain about my sketching community, where I'll go more depth into become how you can draw characters more perfectly, like all your favorite characters from anime or manga or game characters or any superheroes, even some of your favorite person photo you want to turn into become your own character cartoon style. This all the things you can able to achieve by through character sketching course. Got it? So if you are in the same interest level, this is the place where you need to begin your art journey. Click the link below and register the demo class